business 40+ years.
We started out in the residential field. With the new generation and the old school experience, we've been able to develop this amazing growth.
We do anything from potholes, sidewalks, milling and paving, complexes for apartments.
Parking lots, malls, from 1 yard of concrete to 100 yard, from 1 ton of asphalt to 5,000 ton of asphalt.
As the business grows, we've been investing into our equipment because this is what separates us from the competition.
Most of the equipment is modernized.
We actually do not rent anything or lease anything. We own everything that we have.
Our customer service, I believe, is our strongest point.
We answer the phone right away.
You could get us 24/7 on the phone, via text message, via email.
Within a day or so, we're out there doing the free estimate, making sure that we meet with someone or getting all the specs for that job, and come back to the office, prepare everything. We'll do an aerial shot showing you what areas we're going to do. It's more visual.
Our biggest thing is color coordinating, putting sections and phases, numbered.
Then, we give you obviously a scheduled date if you go ahead with the estimate, and then we're on site at that time.
We've been able to go in at night and completely do a turnaround of a facelift of a parking lot and have them back open for business by the morning.
Just to keep business rolling, because that's the most important thing for these commercial jobs.
We obviously know that time costs money, so we want to get in there as quickly as possible.
We get the job done right. We don't cut corners. We put down the right amount of asphalt, and I think that's the most important part.
We appreciate you checking us out today. Please give us a call for the opportunity and come join our family.